Bulavinaka on Straight Talk with Vijay Narayan. Special one today is talking to one of the greats of rugby. He has represented Fiji, brought a lot of glory to our country. Who could forget in those trying times during COVID-19 where Fiji was badly affected, and we were celebrating in the midst of everything when Fiji won the Olympic gold in Tokyo. Ratu Meli Derenalagi now on a new journey with the Swire Shipping Fijian Drua. Welcome to Straight Talk with Vijay Narayan.
Oh, Bulambula Vijay.
Meli, how's it been for you? Of course, you must be happy coming back to Fiji after about 6 months.
Yeah, very happy to come back home and seeing families and loved ones for being away for 6 months. Like it's a very best moment, sweet moment to come and meet your family again.
You're from Nawaka, of course, boy from the West, and went to boarding school in QVS. Just share a bit about your background. Definitely, the youngsters will be interested in about Ratu Meli's beginnings.
Uh, I grew up at in Naka village. Attend Naka district school from year 1 to year 8. That's where I started my rugby campaign. It just was like every youngster always dream of to don that white jersey. That was one. I was one of them too, dreaming of that. And then I moved to Natambo High School from year 9 to year 10 until I finished my education at Queen Victoria School.
And of course, you went and joined the Navy after that. How's that been going into the discipline forces?
Going into the discipline forces, it's a major boost for me in terms of discipline. It molds me now to how to be a good character and to know how to treat yourself such a way to be a good example to youngsters or younger people.
I've heard a lot of stories of young people saying whenever they're talking about you that they've stopped you in town, different places, and whenever they ask you a photo, you never hesitate, always very friendly. Uh, how has it been knowing that you are now looked up as a role model based on what you've achieved? You're Olympian, you're a gold medalist, and now one of the captain of the Fijian Drua.
For me, I always think back when I was a kid. Used to do that a lot, trying to get photos from the players that were playing since then during the World Cup in 2005, like for sevens, and in 2007 for the Rugby World Cup 15s. And I know how it feels for younger children trying to get a photo is that's mean a lot to them. So for me, I don't hesitate by giving my time to them because I know how it feels when you were a kid trying to get those photos because it will be mean a lot to you, and it will be a huge like a story of your life, trying to tell people back to your friends and all that you have been that you have taken a photo with a player you used to look up to.
Not merely just in relation to who motivates you, what motivates you in what you have achieved, some would say at a very young age.
For me, mostly motivates me. Who motivates me? It was my father. Uh, Even though I didn't just watch some of his rugby video, that what motivated me just to carry on the legacy, and especially my grandfather that already passed away a few years ago, who taught me to always and strive for the goals that you always dream of. That what made me keep on striving today, just to carry on the legacy that my father has set, and try to lift it to where it can be carried on by my future generation.
6 months in Sydney, mainly in Lennox Head at camp there. Definitely a lot happening, but 6 months being away from home. What did you miss? How are you coping with when you're missing things from Fiji?
Mostly we miss a lot of Fijian food, especially. Uh, some of the boys just need to adapt to those kind of food, like overseas food. But mostly the boys always miss the food that always cooked by their mom, because of the taste of the food is very different. And but in a professionalism way, we need to adapt to those kind of new diets that help your body recovery and helps you a lot in the game time.
You see, fitness has been one of the strength of the Fijian Drua. Definitely, it wouldn't be easy at the back end trying to make sure that you're playing that full on 80 minutes of Super Rugby against any of the Super Rugby sides.
It came all to our preparation during off season. We are giving our all in order for this season going on. Like our trainer used to say, try to be the fastest team in the Super Rugby season. So that's what the boys did, giving their all during the off season. That when it's transist into game time, like you can just feel it that you are on your fitness at that level.
You gave the Blues a fright last week. There was a lot of cheering. I'm sure that you will feel and hear that cheering at the ANZ Stadium for the first time when you play in your home ground at ANZ Stadium in Suva. All the neighborhoods, the cheering was going on and has been going on every weekend when the Drua or the Fijiana take on the best in the world. Now, last week, tough game against the Blues. Some had said that it's the Blues, it'll be a write off for the Drua. The Drua went out and proved themselves, and even Bowden Barrett said that they got rattled. How was that game?
We talked about it, even though it was a young side, but there's only uh, two experienced players that came with us for that game. But uh, I thank the boys for giving their all and showing to the Blues that we are not just a walk in the park team, but we are here in this competition to compete. And those words was a motivation to the boys. So when we went out, it was I was just telling them to give their all and show that you are fortunate and honored to don that jersey, playing against a number one side from New Zealand,
The champion side.
champion side.
Now, to Meli, just in relation to it's the first year of Super Rugby for the Fijian Drua, you guys are leading the way. Of course, in the way you have had to even stay away from home for 6 months and now coming and playing the first game in Fiji and then going again to Wellington to play the Hurricanes. Luckily for you, that another game will be against the Chiefs in Lautoka, which has been announced. How's the journey been in the first year of Super Rugby, knowing that we have been trying to go into Super Rugby for years?
Yeah, like most of the ex-players always tell us that we are fortunate enough to be here where we are here, like in the Super Rugby. Most of the players that are gone was just dreaming of to be in this competition because like it's a competition. But for us, it was quite a bumpy road for us in order to adapt to that system where you need to be treating yourself becoming a professional player, not just like a club level or skipper level. But like I said, it was a bumpy road, but it was fortunate for the boys how they adapt to the new system of Super Rugby level, and we managed to go through that bumpy road. And I know when I faith in the boys that this season was just uh, season just to like build up for the next season that we will be coming out and in such a way that we will be a very dangerous team in the competition.
Dangerous team and a potential threat to beat any of the teams. Now, just in relation to being in camp, you're saying staying away from home, etc. You definitely need some entertainment of your own. I know you've got people like Napoleon Imbolada and Penny Matawalu. What is their role in camp to make sure keep the spirits up?
Their role in camp was like they are the entertainment committee. They planned lots of things that to bring the boys together in order to make our bond strong again, or just to make us know each other very well. So they used to run lots of fire bond, so maybe we go out bowling just to bring the place together in order not to let anyone feel homesick. So uh, that's the that's their way of treating us in the team. So they know if someone's feeling lonely, they would call a meeting and try to bring us together just to put a smile on the face and tell us we are just here and what the purpose of us doing here, just to provide for our family. But uh, after this, we'll be going back to our family and loved ones to be with them, and then we'll come back and do the job. So those kind of words and funny entertainment that they do uh, in our in our team rooms and team hotels, that what uh, put the smile on the boys and try to put back into their mindset that we are just here for a purpose. And after this job is done, then we'll come and have a family time again. So we are fortunate to have them. Those funny and characters of the team like Napoleon Bolada and Pen Matawal.
This is a final question to Meli. What is your message to the people out there? Definitely, you won't be able to reach out to all your families during this visit. What's your message to your families? And also all the fans of the Fijian Drua who are looking forward to the game this Saturday.
To all the fans out there listening right now, families, wanna take this time just to uh, give you a heads up and in a big invitation just to come out in numbers this Saturdays at NZ Stadium. We'll be playing against the Otago Highlanders. Do come out and buy your tickets and support your local team, Fijian Swire Fijian Drua. Uh, we hope to give a good match this Saturday, and hope to put a smile on your face and get a win out.
That's Swire Shipping Fijian Drua captain, Ratu Meli Derenalagi. Ratu Meli, thank you very much, and we look forward to the game on Saturday.
Thank you.
Naka ni bulatal man na le vici kila ndo na gitu binaka na singa koringo kirikin mundo gitu kon kimundo na le vici kimundo talenga na nunda bano nanronga kirikin mundo ni itu kon mai na singa koringo na kuni gitu lew na sutala taki halis na bali
sa ker ungani bale bu ni ngai wana mai bale lebu NZ Stadium na singa barwai mai ningi o ikani mata timini Drua me ngi o bana nonda banua eu sa kere servale lebu donto me na koro ker yani ngai bana mai bale lebu ni mai sarvia manta nangi o do sarvia ungana retio ya lo ya longo mo mai revia seranga na anabu NZ Stadium misuba pinaka.
Friends and family, ask you for come numbers to come and support Fijian Drua in NZ Stadium this Saturday. Wish you to come over and watch how we entertain in Super Rugby. You just seen the TV, but now in the real face. Fijian Drua.
Naka umuto na leribanua ambiri lekubanoi nawakagi vishure chiralamba kotoya na bukuni wange na singa baruleka mutulame ba lele tulame varau mutulame tokoniti ale mutumata chimbi na kongal chimni Fijian Drua na bukuni babarau na wange kotoke na baruleka na sotangania na chimni Atango Highlanders mulame varau mulame bitokoni buan mutu chimbi na kongal sabani bina tuyani mutnalame kalau ngata jasar pakai kai toson 200.
Download the all-new Fiji Village app. Get the latest news direct to your mobile. Get the latest sports updates from our scoreboards online. Navigate easily through our categories. Watch videos from Straight Talk interviews, local music videos, sports, and many more. You can now easily listen to your favorite radio stations from your phone. Download the all-new Fiji Village app right now.